channel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. In this video we will discuss that how to delete a file using PHP. Before starting, let's see which files we have in our directory. So we have these files in our directory, so we will try to delete them one by one using PHP. So let's start doing this. To delete a file, we have just a single command, unlink, to delete the files. This command needs a path to the file, so let's start setting the path to one of our file. Okay, we are going to delete our first file, so we have set the path. Now we will issue the unlink command. This requires one parameter, file path. So this is all to delete the file. So let's try if it deletes or not. So I have refreshed the page, but I don't see any message. So let's see if the file is deleted or not. So actually file has been deleted. So let's try once more with this. This time we try to show a success message, so that we see that if file is really deleted or not. Okay, now what we are doing, we are actually receiving the response of this command into this variable, the result. So if this result is true, it means the file has been deleted, so we will show this message, the file has been deleted. But if the result is false, then it will display that some error has been occurred. Okay, let's try with the our another file, test2. Because we already have deleted test1, so now this time we will try with test2.txt. Here is the test2.txt file. So let's try to execute this page. Okay, it is saying that file has been deleted and this is deleted. But what if our directory is read only and we don't have any permissions to delete the files? So or maybe we have deleted the file already and we reload the page, so this time it will again try to delete the file. So this time if it tries to delete the file and file actually does not exist, or if the directory does not have permissions to delete, then it will display an error automatically. Okay, so it is saying that some error has occurred. This is actually printed through our script using this line, because it tried to delete this test2.txt file, but as we already had deleted this test2.txt file, so when this tried to delete this file once again, then we have received false in this variable. So it came to this and it displayed the error message. But there is a problem. PHP has displayed a warning from itself, and this is very bad that PHP errors are being displayed on our website. We don't want to show this message to end clients. We already have displayed this message. So how to get rid of this message? There are several ways to handle this. We can use the try catch blocks and we can check permissions, etc. But as a quick solution, we can simply place an @ sign before the unlink command. So what this @ sign will do, it will actually see if there is any warning, then it will simply surpass that warning and it will not display the any warning on the page. So it will simply return the false in this variable and it will display our own error message. So let's try again. So we already had deleted this test2.txt file. We again trying to refresh this page. So this will again try to delete, and again this will receive false and it will display this error message. So now let's see, we try to display this the last txt file and we reload the page once again. So this time file exists and it will display file has been deleted and there is no file in this directory. All of our file has been deleted using php code. So this is our php code. You can use this simple code snippet in your files. Thank you.